Woodwind instruments. Wood, wind. Wind, wood. You need wind, and you need wood. There are two kinds of woodwind instruments: the fluted woodwind and the reeded woodwind. In the case of the fluted woodwind, the wind, which comes from you, goes directly through the instrument, and the way that the air moves through it creates a sound. This one I found at the dollar store. It doesn't work that well. This one I found actually underneath that bookshelf. You can't see, but the other side has a bunch of mildew on it, so I'm not going to play it. I know what you're saying. Sure. These used to be made out of wood. This is made out of wood. How could this be a woodwind instrument? The reeded woodwind uses a wooden reed. Yes, it is made out of wood. That vibration is what causes the sound to come through the instrument.